Hi, let's talk today about React.js, garbage collectors, and CSSBattle. I'm Anatol, and you are watching the good parts of the front-end development. If this is your first time here you only on front-end and JavaScript, start right now by subscribing and don't forget to turn on the subtitles. Let's start today from the article titled Lesser Known CSS Properties in GIFs by Pavel Laptev. It's an overview of the less known and less supported as well CSS features in animated pictures such as element, media shape, motion path, canonical gradients, etc. In the tutorial supporting all browsers without hurting everyone, Sergio Gomes muses about a cost of support all browsers and proposes an approach with multiple build targets. The author described how to create a version of JS files that you send to modern browsers and a different fallback version that you send to everyone else using webpack. Philip Walton posted an article giving storage the web's first built-in module. Built-in modules are just like regular JavaScript modules that require no extra downloads in clients. Here you can read about the Chrome team's experiment regarding new key value storage based on this approach and how it can be used in all browsers. How I Ruined My Code and Still Won the Coding Challenge by Marcin Gajda is an exciting telling how the author overcomplicated JavaScript code to impress the judges. It's enjoyable. The very next point in my list is an article titled Why You Shouldn't Use Moment.js. As the author noted, Moment.js is heavy, slow, mutable and hard to debug library, but it has some advantages. The author proposes some alternatives that you might consider as well as described the benefits of using Moment.js. Learn Webpack is a 10-part video series teaches you Webpack from scratch. All episodes are available now. Here's one more great series, Essentials of Garbage Collectors by Dmitry Soshnikov. Great explanations about memory management and related. In a post, Scheduling in React, you can learn about concurrent React and the scheduler, based on the new fiber architecture that help to create responsive UX even when you have numerous components all waiting to do things at the same time. One more article regarding responsive UX is rendering large lists with React Window. React Window is a smaller and faster alternative to React Virtualized, by the same author aiming at displaying large lists of data efficiently. Dan Abramov posted one more in-depth article regarding writing resilient component. This guide covers several principles to set you on the right path building reliable React components. Take a look. Another article regarding this topic, React Component Types, a complete overview. Get a complete historical overview and code examples of the different types of React component, such as those built with create class, hooks, function components. An overview of JavaScript trending in 2019 by Vitaly Zaidman is a detailed guide that depicts the big picture of the state of JavaScript testing in 2019. The author reviewed the most trending testing strategies and tools in the web development community. Let me share with you an excellent and beginner-friendly guide to Git and GitHub. Whether or not you might need it as a junior developer or to refresh your memory, it's worth 10 minutes of your time. Nick Babish in his turn posted an article titled 6 Simple Tips on Using Color in Your Design In this article, you can find a list of highly practical tips for using color in web design. You can read more at UX Planet. Just in case you're not so keen on JS as I am, let me introduce CSSBattle. CSS Code Golfing. Use your CSS superpower to replicate targets with the smallest possible code and compete against other developers. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. Thanks for watching and stay curious.